Solving quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. So, ano nga ba yung formula natin? So, ang formula natin ay x is equal to negative b plus minus the square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So, ito yung gagamitin natin para mahanap natin yung quadratic equation o yung x. So, ayan. Hahanapin na naman natin si x. Paulit-ulit na lang natin siyang hinahanap yung x na nga natin, di ba? X square plus 9x plus 14 is equal to 0. Ay, para hanapin natin yung value ng x, gamitin natin yung formula. So, ano nga ba yung a natin dito? So, ang a natin dito ay 1. Paano na ko yung 1? Ito po yun. X square. So, may 1 dyan. So, ito yun yung a. How about yung b? That is 9. Ito naman yun. And then yung c. That is 14. At ito naman yun. So, gamitin na natin yung formula. So, x is equal to negative b. So, b is 9. Negative 9 plus minus square root of b. Ano yung b? 9 square minus 4 times a. A is 1 times c. Ano yung c? 14 over 2 times a. And a is 1. Unahin natin yung nasa loob ng radical. So, negative 9, positive, negative. And 9 square is 9 times 9. And 9 times 9 is 81. Minus 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 14, 56. Over 2 times 1, yan ay 2. So, negative 9 plus minus square root of 81 minus 56. That is 25. Divided by 2. And negative 9 plus minus square root of 25i, yan ay 5. Paano ko na ko yung 5? Ano, 5 square is equal to 25. 25 square root of 25 ay 5. And that is over 2. Meron tayong dalawang value ng x. Yan ay x is equal to negative 9 plus 5 over 2. And x is equal to negative 9 minus 5 over 2. So, unahin muna natin itong plus. Negative 9 plus 5, yan ay negative 4. So, negative 4 over 2. And negative 4 over 2 is negative 2. So, ang isang value ng x ay negative 2. How about sa kabila? Negative 9 minus 5 is negative 14 divided by 2. And negative 14 divided by 2 is negative 7. So, ang dalawang value ng x natin ay negative 2 at negative 7. 3x plus 18 equals to x square. So, una, gawin muna natin yung standard form. Paano siya magiging standard form? So, yung x square, ilipat natin sa kabila. So, kapag nilipat natin sa kabila yung x square, yan ay magiging negative x square. And plus 3x plus 18 equals to 0. So, yan, naka-standard form na siya. So, ano na yung a natin dito? So, a natin is negative 1. And yung b? B is 3. And c is 18. Alright, then solve na natin. So, b is 3. B, tapos naka-negative yan. Plus, minus, square root of b square. So, 3 square minus 4 times negative 1. Negative 1 times c, 18. Divided by 2 times a, which is negative 1. So, negative 3 plus minus 3 times 3 is 9. 3 square is 9. So, minus 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. And negative 4 times 18 is negative 72. Then ay magiging negative 72. Over 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Okay, so negative 3 plus minus 9 minus 72, or yan ay magiging 9 plus 72 na yan. So, yung 9 minus negative 72, dahil double negative, yan ay magiging 9 plus 72. And 9 plus 72 is 81 over negative 2. So, negative 3 plus minus, square root of 81 is 9 over negative 2. Paano yun naging 9? So, yung 9 times 9, o 9 square, yun ay 81. Okay, so ano yung mga values ng x natin? Meron tayong dalawa ulit. Okay, so ang value ng mga x natin ay, so x is equal to negative 3 plus 9 over negative 2, and x is equal to negative 3 minus 9 over negative 2. Okay, so negative 3 plus 9, yan ay magiging 6 over 2. So 6 divided by negative 2, yan ay negative 3. Ang isang value ng x natin ay negative 3. Yung next, negative 3 minus 9, yan ay may negative 12 over negative 2. Negative 12 divided by negative 2, yan ay magiging 6. So, mga value ng mga x natin ay negative 3 at negative 6. Solve for the equation x plus 2 square. Gawin muna natin siyang standard form. I-solve muna natin to. So, x plus 2 square. So, yan ay magiging x plus 2 times x plus 2. Then, gamitin natin yung FOIL method. So, x times x is x square. Then, x times 2 is 2x. And 2 times x, yan ay 2x din. Then, 2 times 2 is 4. So, x square. Then, 2x plus 2x, yan ay 4x. And plus 4. Yan ay standard form na. So, ano na yung a natin dito? So, a natin is 1, b is 4, at c is 4 din. Using the formula, hanapin natin yung value ng x. So, negative b, o negative of b, yan ay 4. So, negative 4 plus minus square root of b, yan ay 4 square. Minus 4 times 1 times 4 over 2 times 1. Okay, so negative 4 plus minus square root of 4 times 4 is 16. So 4 square is 16 minus 4 times 1, 4. And 4 times 4 is 16 din. Over 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, so meron tayong negative 4 plus minus, and 16 minus 16 is 0. At ang square root ng 0 ay, of course, 0 yan. Over 2. So yan ay negative 4 over 2. And negative 4 divided by 2, yan ay negative 2. So x is equal to negative 2. Paano naman kung hindi na 1 yung a natin? For example, to 2x square plus 9x plus 18 is equal to 0. Ano yung magiging a natin dito? A na natin ay 2. And yung b is 9. Tapos yung c, 18. Okay, so gamitin na natin yung formula. So negative b, and may negative 9 plus minus square root of 9 square minus 4 times 2 times 18 over 2 times 2. And then negative 9 plus minus, okay, so 9 square is 81 minus 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 18 is 112. Over 2 times 2, yan ay 4. And 81 minus 112 is negative 31 divided by 4. So, yung negative 31 ay hindi perfect square. So, wala siyang square root. So, ganyan na lang yan. So, ano yung mga values ng x natin? X is equal to negative 9 plus square root of negative 31 over 4. And x equal to negative 9 minus square root of negative 31 over 4. Simplify ba natin to? So, hindi na. So, ito na yung sagot. So, ang value ng x natin ay negative 9 plus square root of negative 31 over 4. At x is equal to negative 9 minus square root of negative 31 over 4. So, biruin mo, may value pa pala yung mga x natin. So, ito ang video natin para sa araw na ito. At sana nag-enjoy kayo at may bago kayong natutunan. At huwag kakalimutang mag-like, mag-share, at mag-subscribe at pinutin na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video.